Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're looking at applying another key concept that we have to a situation where we have to understand all of our different vocabulary words and how the relationship between force and velocity works in order to really apply this to our real world situation here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the question here and then what sort of answers we should be looking to have and then applying our key concept. So the question asks, which goal would the soccer ball move to when the two different forces are applied? So we're imagining that maybe there's one or two soccer players that are kicking the ball, and each force that's applied to the ball is pointing in the two directions that we see here. So we have two forces applied to the soccer ball in these directions. And the question is, which goal would it move to? So would it move to the goal that's in the top right, the goal that is in the top left, or the goal that's in the bottom right of our map? So thinking about our key concepts, thinking about what we know about force and velocity and direction, go ahead and answer the question on your Google slide by placing your X in whatever answer you think is correct, and pause the video and obviously then restart it once you're ready to go over the answers. All right, so we have our object, which is our soccer ball. It's kicked with two forces, one going up, one going to the right. It looks like both of these forces are pretty much equal. So the question is, what direction would it go? What goal would it go towards? Well, when we look at our key concept here, how an object changes velocity depends on the direction of the force that we exert on it. Well, the direction we have is up and right. And when we apply those two forces, the object's going to go to the top right of the map. And if we were to put this into our simulator, we could simulate this very idea. If we were to make object A the soccer ball and we were to apply a force up and a force to the right that were equal, we would see that as we play our simulation, the object would go to the top right. And we could even run a simulation very similar to that, where as we prepare our force, we could put a force to the right, maybe let's say 2, and then at the same time have a force going up that's say 2, and what do you know? It goes to the top right. So make any changes to your answers that you need. Reach out if you have any questions.